Put going one.
Orange chicken, beef fried rice, shrimp fried rice, shrimp fried rice, shrimp fried rice, shrimp fried rice. All I want is some orange chicken on the side. Let me get a plate of orange chicken on the side. Shrimp fried rice, shrimp fried rice, shrimp fried rice, shrimp fried rice. All I want is orange chicken on the side. Let me get a tray of orange chicken on the side. Wow! Orange chicken, it's good. Finger licking, no ego, no. Let me get an ego, if you got that deep, I want it. With a plate sheet, like an orange chicken, it's good. Finger licking, shrimp fried rice, shrimp fried rice, shrimp fried rice, nigga, shrimp fried rice. All I really want is orange chicken on the side. All I really want is orange chicken on the side.
Shrimp fried rice, shrimp fried rice,
Shrimp fried rice,
shrimp fried rice.
all I really want is orange chicken on the side. All I really want is orange chicken on the side.
Yeah, man, fuck them fucking cookies. They can keep that shit, I just wanna look. Damn, just want 2 egg rolls. Fuck, I could just rewind for I can go. Lay low and I could just keep the flow, mellow flow, egg roll. I just gotta know, man, fuck them rice. All I gotta do is rewind that twice.
McDonald's, 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 McDonald's. Let me get another one with fries on the side. Let me get another one with fries on the side. McDonald's, 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 McDonald's. Let me get another one with fries on the side. Let me get another one with fries on the side.
Let me get it number 1, maybe number 2, bitch. If you want it, I'ma hit 'em with this 2, bitch.
A 2-piece nugget, let me match my budget. Should I go to the dollar bill? Then, let me get a deal. Let me get some fries, if you will. Put a pot on the side. McDonald's, 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 McDonald's. Let me get another one with fries on the side. Let me get another one with fries on the side.
Hey, yo, guys,
What up,
up the
man?
street, man.
What we see?
I see a motherfucking restaurant, man.
A regular restaurant?
Regular restaurant, cuz.
Stargat roll, Stargat roll, Stargat roll, Stargat roll. Let me get Italian beef with fries on the side. Could I get Italian beef with fries on the side? Stargat roll, Stargat roll, Stargat roll, Stargat roll. Let me get Italian beef with fries on the side. Let me get Italian beef with fries on the side.
Hey, damn, what about that mouth salt? That shit all I damn fucking close. My mouth just got my fucking sweat. Let me bust that shit on another check. Another check, I gotta keep this shit wet. If I don't order that, man, fuck that set. I think I never see another restaurant like that.